Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are here to discuss about a question called Special Array 1. Question number 353151 from lead code. So, an array is considered special if the parity of every pair of adjacent elements is different. Okay? In other words, one element in each pair must be even and the other must be odd. Okay, and they are giving us an array of numbers. Return true if if array is special. If not, return false. So what does special array means? Very simple, guys. So there is an array. Okay, there are some elements 3, 5, 1, 2, 4, so on like this. Now every pair like adjacent values like 5, 1, 1, 2. This is a pair, right? Now if you pick any pair, if you pick any pair, okay, in this pair, one element should be positive, even, and other element should be odd. Okay, one should be even, the other one should be odd. Only then all the pairs, not even one pair, all the pairs should be in this format. So one element in each pair must be even and the other should be odd. Then only this array is called as a special array. So that is what we need to do. So what we will do? Okay, let's take an array. Now, now if you take an array, this is a pair. Okay. Now in this pair, one should be even, other should be odd. Right. So this can be even, or this can be odd, or this can be even, this can be odd. So if this is even, the second number should be odd. If this is odd, other number should be even. So this is a possible ways. Like one can be even or odd, but if it is even, then it should definitely odd. If it is odd, then it should definitely be even. So now in this case, if you observe, okay, the first element is even. First element is even. First element is even. Second element is odd. Good. Now going to the next pair. What is the next pair? 3 and 4. First element is odd. Second element is even. So odd, even. We have both elements in a pair. So then this is a valid pair. Then it is a valid pair. Now going to the next one. 4 and 5. 4 is even, 5 is odd. So here if you observe, first one is even, second one is odd. So we can't be sure which element will be even every time. So for the first time it can be even, first element can be even, or first element can be odd. If first element is even, then second element should be odd. If first element is odd, then second element should be even. This is how we need to have the combinations, guys. If entire array is in this particular format, then we call that array as special array. Then we call that array as special array. I hope the question is clear to you people. Now let's jump into the solution, guys. So each pair we need to check from the first pair to last pair. Okay. So let's run a for loop. Int I equals to 0, I less than nums dot length I plus plus. Okay, we are going from first value to, should I go to last value? Should I go to last value of the array? If you take 2, 3, 4, 5. Should I go to last value and form a pair? No. This is a pair, this is a pair, and 4, 5 is a pair. So this I can go here, I can go here. There is no point of going to 5. So for that purpose, what we will do is I less than nums dot length minus 1 minus 1. Now after going to value, what I can do? So I'll take the first element. First element, let's not name bigger one. First element equal to nums of I. Current element is first element. Second element is equals to nums of I plus 1. Nums of I plus 1. Okay, we got two elements. Now, if if we have multiple conditions. Okay, first condition is if your first element is even. How we will know whether first element is even? If first element modulus 2 is 0, if first element modulus is 0, which means if your first element is even, okay, if it is even, what should your second element should be? Your second element should be, like SC modulus 2 should be equal to 1. Here, if you observe, okay, let me clear this one, it will be visible for you people. Okay, here, if the first element is even, I hope the even condition, you know, people, everyone knows how you find out even number. First element is even, then your second element should be odd. Reminder is 1. If this is true, or if your first element is odd. Let's say if your first element is odd and second element is even. Even in this case, it is a valid pair. It is a valid pair. Go to next pair. We don't do anything to go to next pair because I++ will automatically do this one. So if this is false, then you need to simply return false. False. At the end of the day, we will return true. Okay. What we are doing here is if the first number is even and the second number is odd, even this is a valid pair. Or if your first number is odd and second number is even, this is also a valid pair. If the pair looks like this or like this, both are okay. It is a valid pair. Okay, then go to next pair. No need to do anything for going next pair because I+ will make us go to the next pair, guys. I hope this is clear to you people. If that is not a valid pair, then obviously return false. That's all. So here, instead of writing if else, what we can do is we can simply write this. We can put parenthesis up front of both and we can simply put not condition. That is also fine, guys. Right. I hope you understand this logic of this particular question. Very easier one, but writing the condition and understanding the logic is the main point here in this particular question. I hope you enjoyed the video. We'll meet in the next one. Until then, see you guys.